Good day, welcome to another cooking segment. So this is probably the most simple meal you'll ever cook in a camp oven. Lamb stew. We'll make it really short and really simple.
So, first of all, we have one onion, just roughly chopped because it goes and cooks for ages. And then some Worcestershire sauce. Just a bit, whatever you want. 1 tin of condensed cream of mushroom soup, chuck it in. And a packet of French onion soup. Now, because I'm doing it in the camp oven and the heat can be hot, I add a bit of extra water, but normally in the oven and stuff I wouldn't. But yeah, I just put some water in and decide by look how much it needs. And then all we have left to add is a small leg of roast lamb.
So how big is that one?
That one
1.6 kilos.
1.6 kilos, but whatever, like I just buy whatever looks about the right size.
So we're going to put some spuds in this time as well.
And maybe some carrots if we've got any left if Aaron hasn't eaten them.
No, I ate them all.
Oh,
so
no
we'll let it cook for a couple of hours, really slowly and gently, and then we'll add the potatoes.
And I basically just mix that all in together, and then we'll just get the lamb in. I think I will add the whole tin of water.
So it's pretty much foolproof, as long as you
Don't burn it.
just open the lid every now and again and add more water if it's starting to dry out.
That's the only thing, because it's just slow cooked lamb and it falls apart off the bone if you cook it long enough. And that's all you got to wait for. That it's falling off the bone, and then pull the bone out. And there we go. You can also use, I guess you could do probably a piece of beef. You can use a butterflied lamb chops, whatever you want. But I just use that because it's cheap.
So there you go, lid on, and away we go. Yeah, that's hot.
Now, pretty much every other time that we've tried to cook this, we've had a nice fire going and it ends up raining. And raining lots. So hopefully it doesn't rain, because it's not meant to rain. I mean, there might be a few drops, but hopefully we can actually get it cooking without having to like stop it early because it's raining. So I'm just getting some veggies ready. So I managed to find a sweet potato and some normal potatoes. So I'm just going to peel them, cut them into chunks and chuck them in the camp oven.
So it's been 2 hours. I did turn the meat earlier and add a little bit of water. But anyway, we're going to try and cut it up now and see what it looks like. So just sort of gently boiling, that's good.
Meat.
How good does this look? So Mummy's going to add a whole heap of veggies soon.
So the aim of cutting obviously is just to fasten the process. If you had all day or you had longer at camp or whatever, you can just leave it to cook longer and it will eventually fall off the bone. But it's just after 4 o'clock and we normally eat like 5:36. So just want to make sure that it all cooks in time.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
It's been 2.5 hours. We're going to check it again. Just about time to add the spuds.
No, the spuds are not in there yet.
Well, there's a soup in there and a meat.
Yeah, so it's definitely not full of party yet.
So more heat then.
We could probably do with a bit more heat.
Put the potatoes in or not?
I might give it another half an hour.
Righto, 3.5 hours.
Let's get in there. We've got one bone that is meat free.
Alright, we're putting these spuds in.
Yeah, put the spuds in. Probably cook it for another nearly hour, I reckon.
And a bit of sweet potato as well.
Yeah. Well,
You want to add more liquid or you're right?
no, I think for now that's enough.
Alright.
That's fine, it will thicken up a bit.
Or orange stuff. What a taste.
Righto. This is nearly 4 hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just over.
And this meat's just starting to fall off that big bone. I mean, you could leave it longer.
But we have two very hungry what?
Not hungry.
Not
But
hungry? You guys starving?
Pretty falling off the bone.
Not for
You
me.
can
Alright,
see.
we get it out then?
Yeah, I think so.
Not for
Let's
me
do it.
now.
You hungry, Kobe?
Yeah.
Is it going to be delicious? It's going to be awesome, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Creepy, let me get some video of you eating it. Oh, just wait. Is your bowl empty already? No. Is it delicious?
How do you
Pretty
know
good.
that fast?
Yum. So there you go. With the potato and sweet potato, it's 7 ingredients. Obviously, you can do just the meat on its own and then 5 ingredients. But really, really good. Absolutely delicious. Normally, you know, things that don't have many ingredients, we're always a bit sus about. But yeah, we've done this quite a few times. Really yummy. So, gonna go and have some food. And yeah, if you like this, please subscribe, give us a like. We'll try and do a few more cooking videos that are simple and easy.